right now. So
Yes.
today we will complete our Outlook topic. Yesterday we discussed the basics, like what is Outlook, why we are running, and what is the configuration, what is the protocols, what is the port number. So yesterday we have discussed this thing. Right. Yesterday we have discussed this thing, and today we are going to run our new topic. Okay, I means new things in you can say, okay, new things in Outlook. So we are starting our topic for today with a topic of a data file. Correct. Outlook having a data file. So let's try to understand. The people who will connect late, so it's their own mistake. Okay. So we have a data file in Outlook. Now, what is the meaning of data file? Data file is also known as a file extension. We are calling a data file, or we are calling file extension, or we are also calling file type. Okay, different people are using a different keywords, but the meaning is same. Correct. So what's going on in the Outlook? We have a file extension, we have a file type, we have a data file. We have a two kind of data file in Outlook, PST and OST. So first try to understand what is the meaning of data file. Guys, data file means every application, and every application having a some extension. For example, if I will call, okay, if I will tell you I have a file name is a tarun.txt, what you will give answer? What is the file type?
TXT.
Not, notepad file, na? Through a notepad, right? In the Windows, I have created this file through a notepad, right? So what is the application? Notepad is application. If I will tell you, okay, I have a file tarun.pdf, you will tell, sir, it's a PDF file, name is Tarun, right? If I will tell you I have a file name is tarun.xlsx, you will say, sir, it's a Excel file, right? I have a file which is a tarun.docs, it's a MS Word file, document file, right now? MS Word file, Microsoft Word file, okay, document file. If I will tell you I have a file name is a .pptx, okay, you will tell, sir, there is a something PPT, something PowerPoint file, name is Tarun. Means by seeing extension you are saying the application name. आप extension देख के application का नाम बता दे रहे हो, right?
Yes,
like the same thing, you have a data file in Outlook, but Outlook having a advanced thing. How? Okay, as you know very well, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, these three application is a part of MS Office package.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All these three applications are part of a Microsoft
Yes,
package, Microsoft Office package. So, okay, Outlook is also a file, means Outlook is also an application inside a MS Office package.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Outlook is also an application inside MS Office package. So if Outlook is also a application inside MS Office package, so Outlook application also having extension, their data file. Correct. But guys, Outlook having a two kind of data file, .pst or .ost. Every application in the MS Office package having a single data file. जितने भी extension, जितने भी application है MS Office में, सबका एक data file है. Excel is application, data file, okay, file type is a file extension is a .xlsx. But Outlook is a single application having a two different data file, two different file extension. Correct. Two different file extension Outlook contains. So guys, if Outlook contains two different file extension, so it's 100%, both will not be same. दोनों same तो होगा नहीं. Correct. There will be something differences. If a one application means you are saving some data in the Outlook, so you are getting PST, and sometime, okay, and sometime you are also getting OST. Okay, so if you are getting PST and sometime you are also getting OST, so it's 110% surety. Both will never be same. दोनों same तो होगा नहीं. So what are your differences then? if a one application contains two different file extension, okay, so both will be differences. Okay, both will be different. If both is a different, so what are the differences? If both is a different, so what are the differences? Differences is, okay, differences is, there is a lot of differences between PHT and OST. So now we are going to understand what are the differences between PHT and OST file. Okay, so here I am going to write it down. Okay, you can also make a notes the same, don't take a screenshot and all. Okay, dot PHT, and in a one side I'm writing about dot OST. Just give me a minute. So what are the differences in dot PHT and dot OST data file? So let's see. Number one, PHT stands for personal storage table. Okay, and whereas OST stands for offline storage table. Whereas OST stands for offline storage table. Number second, is how PHT and OST comes in our system. In our, okay, in the Outlook, if we are getting a two different file PHT and OST, so guys, okay, PHT and OST depends upon a configuration. PHT and OST depends upon a configuration. So let's okay, try to understand. So what I'm writing, this is a more, okay, important point. If we configure our Outlook account with POP and SMTP, so default file extension would be .pht. .pht. And if we configure our Outlook account with IMAP and SMTP, opposite. If we configure our Outlook account with IMAP and SMTP, so default file extension would be .pht. So default file extension would be .ost. Point number 3. PHT is the okay. We can take backup of PHT. We can take backup of PHT, but we cannot take backup of OST. OST backup not possible because OST directly sync with the internet. But we can't take backup of OST. Just give me a minute. Okay, but we cannot take backup of OST. Number 4 point. PHT is a movable file. It is a movable file. Movable file. But OST is not a movable file. It is non-movable file. None. Okay, what is the meaning? Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Non-movable file. First idea differences. Okay. Next point. If PST file will corrupt, so we can repair it. We can repair it with scan PST tool. Okay, guys. If PST file will corrupt now, so we can repair our PST file with scan PST tool. Correct. Okay, what is the meaning of scan PST tool? Okay, we will discuss it later. But guys, we cannot repair OST file because OST file will never corrupt. Because it's a direct, because OST will not save in your laptop. Their file will not save in a laptop because it's come from a IMAP. So we cannot repair OST file. हम OST file को repair नहीं कर सकते हैं. But one thing, because okay, why we can't repair OST file? Because OST file will never corrupt. ये corrupt नहीं होता है. Its directories, because there is nothing copy will save, na? So one copy will present only, you know. Okay. Number 6, the path of PST in OST. Okay, what you did with the Rahul sir session, forget it. Path of PST. The path of PST is C drive, user, username, C drive user, username, document and Outlook file. Username, documents and Outlook means by default. Default path, okay. Default path of PST. Default path of OST is okay. Default path of OST is C users, username, app data, local, Microsoft and Outlook. Right, so these are the differences between a PST and OST data file. I can make it more good. Sorry, leave it. Okay. Let's try to understand the meaning now. First point is that PST OST full form. First point is a PST OST full form. Okay. And second point is, guys, see where PST and OST okay comes in our system. PST और OST कहाँ से system में आता है? So PST and OST depends upon our configuration. Guys, remember, when manually you are setting account, so we have an option, account type, choose account type, correct? So if I will choose POP, okay, and if the account will be configured with the help of a POP protocol, if the account will be configured with the help of POP protocol, so we will get PST file. And if we will choose IMAP and our account will configure through IMAP protocol, so we will get OST file. And if we will configure our account automatically, also we will get OST file. Means PST will come once the configuration is happening through POP protocol. PST तभी आएगा जब configuration POP के through होगा. If the configuration is happening through IMAP or automatically without any protocol, we'll get OST. We can take backup of PST. What is the meaning? It's simple meaning. Because PST comes from a POP. Okay, and you know the meaning of POP. POP retains a copy of mail on the server side. Right? One copy will be on a user computer. One copy in a user computer, one copy on a another server side. So if from a user computer, the message will delete, we can restore it. Because of we can take a backup of PST. Then we can restore. So PST backup is possible. But OST backup is not possible because there is only a single copy run on a inside a network. In a network, okay, in a server side or in any side, only a single copy will run. बस एक ही copy run होगा. If that one copy got deleted, there is no any chances, there is no any options to take a backup and to restore any. I mean, these all things. Okay, and guys, PHP is a movable file. Means, see, by default, this is the path of PHP file. And I will show you everything. Don't worry. This is a path of PHP file. Correct. So this is a default path of PHP. Means by default, any PHP file saved in this location. I'm not talking about the 2007 of Outlook and all. 2016 and 19, I'm talking with you. So the path of PHP will be this by default. So if the path of PHP is this one, so what is what is going on? We can move the path of PHP from C drive to D drive, E drive. Means wherever we want, we can move the PHP file because it's a movable file. But we can't move the OST file. Okay, forcefully you can move anything, but according to concept, I'm talking with you. PHP, OST is a non-movable file. Okay, and if you will try, okay guys, and if there will be any error will come, for example, PHP file got corrupted. Okay, if PHP file got corrupted, so we can repair the PHP file as well as. How? So we can repair a PHP file with a software, with a tool, Scan PHP tool. But OST file we can't repair because it's a rare chance that OST file will corrupt. If we will try to move forcefully the OST file from this path to another path, then it will corrupt. So then you can't repair also. Because according to concept, OST is a non-movable file. There is no need of moving the file from one place to another place. Okay, and if forcefully you will try to move, okay, and if it will corrupt, if the file got corrupted and account is not working due to OST corruption, so you can't repair as well as. There is no any tool known as the scan OST. Scan PHP is a tool only. Okay, so let's see, guys. Yesterday I have configured account through a POP, right? If you remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay, I'm going on a PHP location. What is the path of PHP? See user, username, document, and Outlook file, right? I'm inside a document.
Yes, sir.
Outlook files. So yesterday, na, what is the date of yesterday? 5/4.
Yes, sir. Yes.
5/4, no?
Yes, sir. 5th of April. Yes, sir.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
See. It's saved here, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and automatically also we have configured. Okay, so automatically all through IMAP, doesn't matter, we will get OST. So, okay, I'm showing you about OST. See, user, okay, username. See, okay, so I'm logging with a computer name one user. App data, local. Sorry, I'm logging with a username computer. App data, where is the app data? App data. Local, Microsoft. I'm showing you OST because Microsoft, okay, Microsoft. And Outlook, there is option Outlook. See, this is right. Automatic name. You want a profile name. So automatically, if you are configuring account or through IMAP, you will get OST. Only with the POP protocol, you are getting a PHP file. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, and I see we can take a backup of PHP. So I'm going to show you the practical number 1 for today. Let's see the practicals clearly. Okay, carefully means. Let's see the practical carefully. What is the practical I'm going to show you? I'm going to show you the practical of practical. Okay. Like, okay, as I told you that we can take a backup of PHP. So how? It's important to know how to take a backup. Okay. So practical number 1. Backup of PHP. कैसे backup लेते हैं वो देखना. How to take a backup of PHP. Let's see, if you want to take a, okay, if you want to take a backup of PHP, so first of all, you need to log in your Outlook account. So I'm going to log in, and I'm going to log in through manual, right? Because
Yes,
manual is
sir.
my PHP, means pop.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Click on OK. So this is my pop account, right? Okay. This is my pop account. I can show you. See, file type is a pop SMTP, and also I can show you it's a PHP file. Okay, I'm getting a PHP file. See, this one. See user Outlook file manual.pht. You can click on data file. You can check PHP, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a PHP file. So if it's a PHP file, how to take a backup? Backup कैसे लिया जाता है इसका? Guys, so for taking a backup, okay. Here I've written out the steps. Okay. I will show you some 3-4 practical today on Outlook. With a test day editing. Practical number 1, backup of PHP. Backup कैसे लेते हैं PHP का? So for taking a backup of PHP. Okay, steps I can write. Sorry. Okay, because step is, first of all, you need to confirm that you are logged in with a pop account, and this is a PHP file account. So I'm 100% sure. I'm 100% sure that this is a pop account and I'm getting a PHP. Right now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because I checked it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
after
sir.
that, I will click on file. Then you are able to see option open and export. Okay, I will write it down here. Click on files. Then click on open and export, because I remember the steps, so I can write it down. Export. And then click on export to a file. Okay, then what is the options? I need to check it again. Okay. So file, open and export. Then click on import and export. Guys, see one thing. I am clearing here. We have 2 things here: import or export. How much 2 options here? Export means if you want to take a backup, you need to export a file. And if you want to restore a backup, means already you have a backup, okay, and some message got deleted from that one file, you want to restore in the future. So you need to import then. Export means backup, import means restore or recover. If you want to restore, okay, and you want to recover, you need to click go with the import. And if you want to take a backup, you need to go with the export. You have to go with the export. So, okay, I'm in option open and export, then import and export. Import and export. And then after clicking on import and export, then see, I want to take a backup now. And for backup, we have a which option? Export.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So I will click on
Yes,
export
sir.
to a file. I will click on option export to a file. Export to a file. Okay, export to a file. Then click next. Then which file you want to export? Definitely PHP file. Then click on auto data file.pht. Then click on Outlook data file bracket .pht option. Okay. After that, click on next. And what you want to take a backup? अब क्या backup लेना चाहते हो? I want to take a backup of inbox only, right? As an example, okay. Otherwise, I can select on whole. मैं पूरा select कर लेता हूँ, whole account. Okay. Include subfolder. Right. So here you can select the folder that you want to take a backup. Select folder that you want to take a backup. That you want to take a backup. Okay, I'm selecting only inbox. Okay, it's my wish. We'll click on next. Now it is saying where you want to save. आप कहाँ पे save करना चाहते हो backup को? Okay. I want to save in, okay, by default it will save in a PHP file location. But we know that PHP file is a movable file. PHP की movable file है. So we can save their backup in any place. हम कहीं भी save कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to save the backup inside a desktop, so that I can easily view. ताकि मैं easily देख सकता हूँ, right? I'm giving the name PHP backup. मैं नाम दे देता हूँ PHP backup. I'm saving a backup inside my computer in a desktop. PHP backup. Okay. And then click on finish. And then it's asking set a password. Guys, I need to set a password, and what is the password I will set for this file? Okay. And if in the future I want to restore, I need to give a same password. Okay, I'm setting a password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Verify password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time more it works. Try the password for PHP backup, right? Means
Yes, sir.
the PHP backup file name. File name is the PHP backup, no?
Yes, sir.
4, 5. Okay, I'm writing same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now guys, PHP has been backed up. PHP ka backup hoga. Okay. After that, you can click on browse. You can give the desktop path. Correct. You can save, then finish. Okay. Then it will ask for password. Okay. You can set a password. Set the password. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finish. Okay. And you can check right now PHP backup num file, right? Because I saved in a desktop. मैंने desktop में save किया था. That's why it's here, right? Guys, for
Yes, sir.
example, now I have backup. Now just assume backup is present. But if enough, okay, what's happening? I'm going to delete some message. Just to showing you that how to restore. Okay, I'm going to delete some messages. Okay, messages. मैं कुछ messages को delete कर देता हूँ. Okay, see, it was a 58 messages, no? I'm going to delete approx these messages. Okay, and also I'm going to delete permanently. मैं से permanently delete कर देता, right? See, these will be permanently deleted. Continue, yes. Because now I have a total 59, 58 and 59 messages, right?
39.
Okay, now it is 39. Means approx 20 message deleted. Right now? Approx how many message deleted?
20 messages.
Approx 20 message deleted, right? So just assume I have deleted manually. मैंने manual delete किया. Just assume some message got deleted automatically. Okay, and some mistakes from your side as an engineer. But backup is present now. So if backup is present, we can restore. Because the backup is present for whole inbox folder, right? पूरा inbox का backup present है मेरे पास. Right? So if backup is present, now the next question will be how to restore. Restore the PHP backup, right? Okay. So same thing. Go to, okay, steps. Oh, sorry. I can do one thing. I can make a less size. See it carefully. Steps will be now. Okay, first of all, go to files again. Go to open and export again. Open and export. Then click on import and export. Okay. Then select outlook data file.pht. I will show you. And I see for taking a backup, I have given a file. Okay, I clicked on option. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys. Okay, for taking a backup, I clicked on option export to a file. Right here, I will click on option
Import from a file.
import from another file. कोई file से import करो. Right. Then I will select PHP. Okay, and then I will browse. Okay, and then where I saved a PHP backup. Okay, I saved in a desktop now. I will go to my desktop. Right now, I will browse in the desktop
Okay.
path, where the PHP backup is present, right?
Yes, sir.
Where the PHP backup is present. Okay. After browsing, correct. Then I will select the folder. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to do. Guys, so 20 messages has been deleted permanently, but we don't need to worry because we have a backup. हमें दिक्कत नहीं है क्योंकि backup present है. So if backup is present, then how to restore? कैसे restore करना है? So click on file. Okay, click on open and export, import and export. Then see program. Okay, import from another program or file. Import from another program and file. Okay, another program and file. We'll click on this option. We'll click next. PHP na, click on PHP. Click next. And now, I am going to give the path of where my PHP backup. This is my PHP backup, right? In a desktop. PHP backup now file. Click open. Now next. Now, guys, asking for password. Okay, I am giving something wrong password. Okay, मैं कुछ गलत password दे रहा हूँ. What is saying? The password you have entered is incorrect. Means what is the password I set it for backup? Same password I need to give for restore. So I will give a password 345. 1 2 3 4 5. We'll click OK. Again password 1 2 3 4 5. Right. Now saying import item to the same folder. Yes. Same folder, right? Means we'll click on finish. Now see all the messages restored within a seconds.
Yes, sir.
59 to 59 messages.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after click on browse, okay, we can give the desktop path where the PHP package is present, right? And after that, we can select on. Okay, then what is the okay, options will come? You can select next, and finish. Right. In this way, that's why we are saying we can take a backup of PHP. And this is the process of taking a backup and to restore a backup. Okay. And I see always as an admin, you need to take a backup of PHP file. Okay, and you can save in some location in a user side, so that if user will read some messages, so that will be easily recover. Okay, guys. Okay, and I am able to restore. Okay, I am able to I am able to restore because of
Because you have taken the backup. Sir.
because we have a backup. Okay, and we took a backup because PHP comes from POP, and POP having a concept of one will be server side, one will be local computer. So from local computer, okay, if you will read a messages, but you have a backup of that one, so you can restore it from the server that got restored. So it's clear how I did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, this practical completed. Practical number second, we have a. Anyone remember what was the second practical yesterday I written? So delay and delivery. Right now? Delay and
Yes.
delivery. What is the meaning, guys? It's simple meaning. Okay, all of you only know that we can send a message to anyone instantly, right? I will write in a message to. Okay, not to, I will write. Yes.
The second one is we need to add signature, no, sir.
Okay, signature, then I will tell you later. So, okay, delay and delivery means, guys, okay, it's simple meaning. For example, if I want to send a message to you, correct? Okay, I want to send a mail to you. So just now I can send only instantly, right? Okay, I will write okay, in a two, I will give your mail ID and will click on send. Correct. But I want to send to you on a 4 p.m. But in a 4 p.m. I'm not free. So I can set a delay in delivery. Means while sending, I can set a timing that this message will be delivered to Akash on a 4 p.m. So on a 4 p.m. the message will deliver. till 4 p.m. Okay, I've written everything. I attached all the document, all the messages, okay, that I want to attach. Okay, I attached right now. But while sending, I stated a delay in delivery. Sending करने के समय, okay, I mean during sending, okay, I stated a permission of delay in delivery. Means in a message there will be delay. Delay for how much time? Delay for 1 hour. Okay. When to deliver? Deliver at a 4 p.m. So the message will deliver to Akash in a 4 p.m. Okay. So how to set a delay in delivery? So first of all, okay, I'm sending a new mail. Okay, I click on a new mail, the new email. Okay, guys, anyone who can send me your mail ID through a chat box. कोई एक मुझे mail ID भेज दो अपना, so that I can show you. The first mail I got from Bhavya. So, okay, I am sending a mail to Bhavya, right? Okay, so, okay, Bhavya mail, okay, taste. Yeah, Bhavya, please checked. Okay, just showed, okay, it's an until in a outbox.
Yes, sir. I have received the mail.
Received now, guys.
Yes.
So this is urgent, right? But I want to set a delay in delivery. Means while sending, I want the message we receive to Bhavya on a 4 p.m. So I can set a delay in delivery. So again, how to set it? Okay, delay in delivery. I will click on new mail. Okay, and then we write a mail ID. Okay, we'll write a subject taste. And while sending, okay, I will click on options, correct? And in options, I will click on delay delivery option, right? See, delay and delivery, clear
Yes,
option.
sir.
Okay, and here I can set importance. Okay, you can set anything, high importance, private, something confidential message, and do not deliver before. See, do not deliver before. I consider timing. Before this time, the mail will not deliver. After this time, okay, 6 today, 17 minutes.
5 o'clock.
I know. I am setting for 3. 3 means
13.
13. Means before 13. Before 13 means before 3 p.m. This message will not be delivered to. Okay, delivered to Bhavya. Okay, 13 p.m.
Sir, it should be 15.
15, sir.
No, 13 means
Yes,
1.
sir.
Yeah,
13, 1 o'clock.
yeah, 15, right? 13 means 1. 12, 13, yes, 1. Okay, 15. Mean before 3 p.m. this mail will not deliver to Bhavya. And will expire. Okay, I don't want that mail will expire. But do not default. Okay, do not deliver before 13. Sorry, before 15 means before 3 p.m. I will click on close. So now delay and delivery has been set because it's a click day, right? You click day यहाँ पे. Means it's set it. Now I will click on send. Now Bhavya will not get a mail right now. Okay, it will be on my outbox till 3 p.m. Once the timing will be 3 p.m., the mail will deliver. So we are setting a delay in delivery in this condition when you don't want to send a mail to anyone right now. You want to send after half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, but maybe you can forget. ऐसा हो सकता है कि भूल जाओ, right? So before a time you can set a, okay, you can send a mail, okay, and you can set a delay in delivery. See, until it's an outbox. Why? I have internet connectivity. Because just now I shown to you that the mail I sent urgently, instantly. Just write to taste. Okay, and CC and something BCC. What you want to write? Some message, some document. If I want to attach, I can attach. See. So it's clear. Okay, it will not be delivered till 3 p.m.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Means we can set a delay in delivery as well as हम delay और delivery भी set कर सकते हैं.
So at 3:01 it will get delivered.
Yeah, only 3.
Exactly at 3.
3, 3, 1, once. Okay, now 3 p.m. exactly it will deliver if there will be internet connectivity. If internet connectivity will come 5 p.m. will deliver on a 5 p.m. If in a 3 p.m. internet connectivity will present, so in a 3 p.m. the mail will deliver.
Okay, sir.
Do not deliver before 3 p.m. Now, once after 3 p.m. it will deliver. Means 3:01. When the timing will be 3:01, the mail will deliver. Guys, so then we can add a signature. Signature भी हम add कर सकते हैं. Signature means what, guys? Signature means I hope you had seen. If I want to send a mail to you, right? In a okay, I written something messages, something attention. Okay, in a downside, I'm writing regards, my name, my contact number, my designation, my company name, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This thing you're writing now. So each and every time we need to write one by one. Correct. If I'm sending a mail to 20 people per day, so I need to write it 20 times.
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of that, if you have set a signature, so you can just enable a signature while sending, and all the thing that you added in a signature will add. For example, again I am sending a mail to Bhavya. Sorry. Okay, I'm writing a test signature practical. Okay, in a subject. Correct. Okay, so I'm writing some message, right? Okay, for example. Okay, I written something message, okay, like this. So, okay, in a dine side, okay, I want to write my name now. Who are sending? कौन send कर रहा है इस mail ID से? That should be clear. evision121 okay at gmail.com. Okay, this is my mail ID. How the Bhavya will be confirmed that who are sending a mail. So for this, I will write my signature. It's a digital signature, right? I will write the name like regards, correct, and name. Right. So it's a time taking process, na? Correct. One by one, okay, I'm writing.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, and my contact number, something address, whatever. Okay. And then I will click on send. Right. See guys, this one mail got sent na? But delay delivery mail on okay not sent. Because it will deliver on a 3 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So okay, now Bhavya, okay, we'll get a mail, okay, and we'll see. Yeah, Bhavya, please check. Have you got a mail with a signature?
Yes, sir. I have received the mail.
Right.
With the
But
signature.
guys, if how much time I will do this? मैं कितनी बार करूँगी काम? We write all the things in a downside. So what can I do? In a one time only, I can set a signature. मैं एक ही बार में signature set कर देता हूँ. Okay. In a one time, I can set a signature. Right. And when okay, I'm sending a mail to anyone, doesn't matter. I will just attach a signature. Correct. So how to set a signature? New mail, click on signature. Yeah, click on signatures. Here set a name, right? See, This is a Sushant mail ID. Okay. I'm setting for my new name. Tarun. Okay, and here I'm saying here I'm setting a signature. Okay, one time only. Okay, and if I have some business card, I can set a business card. Okay, मेरे पास कुछ business card हो तो मैं set कर लूँ.
Okay, where is the location for me? I comfortable on Chennai also and Bangalore also comfortable.
We'll click on signature. Okay, Tarun name signature, right? Okay, but okay, there's nothing here. यहाँ कुछ तो है नहीं. Because you know, okay, Tarun name signature. Okay, there's nothing added. Okay, here I'm adding. Okay, for example, regards. Okay, okay, and I can one side one time I said very beautiful colors. Okay, you know it also matters. Yeah, color I am setting. Okay. So now, for example, okay, again I'm sending a mail to Bhavya. Okay, so now I don't need to write a regards and all. Okay, I will just click on signature. Will click on Tarun. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll click on send. We'll send. Like same. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, I'm sending a mail to another person. It was a Gagan. Right. Now, okay, I'm sending a mail to Gagan, for example. So, okay, new mail. Okay. Right. See, one time okay, set it nahi. It's automatically set, right? ये एक बार set हो चुका है. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, Gagan, please check Gagan and Bhavya. Have you got a mail with a signature written in a downside?
Yes, sir. I have received.
So it's clear about a signature.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So things are very easy. Okay, I'm not saying it's a very tough. Okay, it's a very easy. The differences is
Yes, sir,
only the
received.
people are not aware. Yeah, Gagan, received.
Yes, sir, issue.
Okay. Okay, actually the people are not aware about the features on Outlook. उन्हें पता ही नहीं है क्या क्या features हैं actually. And last two, okay, and one more practical, recall. Recall the message. Steps, this is a steps. Guys, so please wait for a minute. Okay, I will back and we will show you the recall practical. How to do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's see. Next one, we have a recall. So first, try to understand the meaning of recall. Recall meaning is just assume. Okay, I'm the employee in a Wipro and Amit is the manager. Okay, I'm the normal employee. Amit is the manager. Correct. So I sent a mail to Amit, but after a minute, when I checked it, I sent a wrong mail. I sent a wrong attachment, wrong message. So in this condition, I sent it. So in this condition, what can I do? I can send a new mail again, right? With apology. That sorry, sir, that was by mistake, right? And normal people will do the same thing. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, instead of this thing, we can recall a message. Means what I sent now, I can edit. I sent it, but I can edit, and then I can send it again. So Amit will get only one message that I edited. But the condition is the message should be unread from Amit's side. This is the condition. If the Amit has already received a mail that I sent to Amit, so the recall will not work. But if the message is not seen by the Amit, so then the recall will work. Then the mail will work. Okay, but if the Amit has been received, if the Amit has already received the mail, then the mail will not work. Okay, then the recall will not work. It means then the recall will not work. Okay, but if Amit hasn't seen the mail, if Amit hasn't seen the mail, so then recall will work. Right.
So it is hasn't seen or hasn't received.
Hasn't seen.
Okay. So can we test it, sir?
Yeah, I will test it right now. Okay, see. Okay, how to test it? So, but one thing more. Okay, one more condition. Condition is you should have a office package license. We are using a free of cost now. I'm also using a without license office package, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will not
Yes,
work
sir.
from my side. Okay, but I'm telling you the steps. I'm showing you. It will unsuccessful. I know. The reason is this kind of facility will only present once you have a product. Once you have a product key. Once you have a license office package. Okay, in a company you can apply it because their average software will be a license. Their average software will be a licensed software.
So this is not working on pirated.
No, not working pirated. I have also pirated. It's not working. Recall is not working. Rest all thing is working.
Okay.
It's going to fail. Actually.
Okay.
Okay, that's why. Okay, I will show you how it's happening. But will not successful in my system and in your system. But it's working once you have a licensed and product version of office package. So how to recall? So for example, I sent a message to Gajanan. Okay, Gajanan received. Okay. See, I'm sending a message to you, Bhavya, again. Okay. Sorry, I'm sending a message to Gajanan again. But okay, Gajanan, don't receive it. Don't say it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I sent. But now I realize that I sent a wrong message. Now I realize, okay, I sent a wrong message. So how can I recall? I will click. Okay. And there will be option here in a send and receive. Okay, there will be option here in the rules. No. Okay, there will be option here, recall. Okay, if there is option recall in a more, there will be option here recall. Okay, I'm seeing where it is. Okay. There should be a where the recall. Okay, I sent it. Okay, I want to recall. Okay, where is the recall option?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is saying double click on the message.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Double click on a message. Right. Then you will get a correct.
Go to
Then
file.
okay. Then there will be option here recall. Reply and date in a translate.
Sir, file info it is saying.
Where?
Under file.
No,
then
under action. Recall this message. Right.
info.
See. Yeah. Double click on a message. Click on action. Click on recall this message. Okay. You're saying delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Right.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Click on delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Click on OK. So what is the new message? Hi. You tried a recall, right? I'm getting an option. You tried a recall on this one. Okay. Now I sent. Yes. Yeah, Gajanan, please check it. Had you
Okay,
got
sir.
both mail?
1 minute.
And receiver will also receiver will also get a message that I have recalled, but receiver will not be able to know what I recalled. मैंने क्या recall किया?
Yes, sir. Issue.
Means had you get both messages?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Both na? Why? Because recall is not working.
Yes, sir. Both are issue.
Because recall is not working in a parroted version of this one.
Right.
Okay, right, in this way, and okay, wait for this. Delay and delivery will deliver on 3 p.m. exact. Right. Okay, and we have also a lot of features in Outlook, like we can create rules. Okay, for example, okay, I want that always, for example, when the Gajanan will send me a message, will only save in a Gajanan name folder. Okay, so we can create rules for this. When the Gajanan will send a mail to me, will only will not come in my inbox folder, will come in a Gajanan folder. Okay, so what can I do? I can click on rules, manage rules and errors. Okay, new rule. Okay, you are seeing not from here. Okay. Rules, create rule. Okay, I want for which. Just wait. The rule. Okay, create rule. Okay. You are seeing when I get a mail with all the selected condition. Okay, I don't know subject. Send. Okay, this one. Okay, play a notification and move the item to folder. Which folder? New folder. Okay, the message will move to will come in an inbox, but instantly will move to Gajanan name folder. Which condition do you want to check? Yeah. Move it to the display desktop alert. Means I will get alert. Play sound. Sound will play. Means these kind of things are rules we can set. Description area. I did something wrong. Yeah, Gajanan, please send me a message.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will get in. I will get in an inbox, right? Then I will set a rule that once whenever I will get a mail from Gajanan, will not come in an inbox. Will come in a Gajanan folder. So for a Gajanan, okay, guys, what's happening in a company? You have your HR, your manager. Okay, so you can set this kind of rules. So it will be easy for you because in the inbox there will be a lot of messages, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So the particular
Yes,
message
sir.
will directly come in a particular folder. So that will be good. Yeah, correct. Now for this, I am creating a rule. Create a rule. Subject, I don't know. Send to the rule, right? Me only. Select folder. New. Gajanan folder, okay. Automatically present. Gajanan folder, okay. Automatically present, na? Gajanan. Click on OK. Click on OK. See. All the messages, okay. Itna Gajanan folder. No. I created a wrong rule. Create a rule. Send to the rule. Gajanan. From Gajanan. Right. Move to the Gajanan folder. Okay, Gajanan, okay, just wait. Okay, just wait. Let's see. You can now, okay, in a Gajanan folder, there is only one message, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gajanan, now send me message.
Okay, sir.
I mean, these kind of things is also present in Outlook, okay, which will be very easy. Okay, if you know the features, so you can utilize the mail very easily. Okay, and in a corporate, this kind of thing is required. Okay, then have you sent a mail?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same.
Okay, yeah. See, guys, okay, I received now in a Gajanan folder directly, right? See, correct.
Yes, sir.
Not in a inbox folder.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Right.
for a particular person, we can say the particular folder, that mail will directly come on that one folder. So it will be more easy to manage,
Yes, sir.
right? So this kind of things for the feature is present in Outlook that you can use. Okay. And the time is at 3 p.m., right? So
Yes.
let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, I think it's sent. Yeah, please check it right now.
Yes, sir. I have received exactly at 3 o'clock.
Why, right? And you okay? And you okay? And you are getting this message. Please treat this as a confidential.
No, sir, not actually. There's nothing inside this.
No. Okay. You are using a Gmail, right? That's why.
Yeah, yeah.
If you will use Outlook, so okay, guys, all of you are able to see this thing, no?
Yes, sir.
So in Outlook, if the
Yes,
receiver
sir.
is also using Outlook, so receiver also get the same thing, okay? And the receiver will see that, okay, there is something confidential, something very high important. So receiver will give a reply fastly. So this kind of feature are present in Outlook. That's why company are using Outlook. Because for a corporate, it's literally very good. Guys, I hope it's clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi, so please, okay, wait for a minute. Okay, I need to take your attendance. Because okay, this is totally about Outlook. Okay, and we have a topic of troubleshooting. How to solve Outlook topic. Okay, so what will happen now? Okay, tomorrow I will give you a class on a troubleshooting of operating system, troubleshooting of server, troubleshooting of network. Okay, so on tomorrow also I can teach you the troubleshooting of Outlook.
Yes.
So that okay, in
Okay, sir.
a 2 and 3
Okay,
page
sir.
of notes. Okay, in a 2 and 3 page of notes, you will only get a troubleshooting notes. So it will be easy for you.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Okay,
So,
sir.
okay. So please wait, and I need to take your attendance. one by one I need to write in my Excel sheet. So please wait. Guys, don't disconnect because your attendance will mismatch until I will not say you.
Sir, show the slide of difference between PST and OST.
Okay, so guys, please wait for a 2 minute more. 4 or 5 name is missing. That's why I'm matching with the participant list.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, now okay, it's matched. 3 people name is missing, so they're also not connected today. Okay, so guys, now from tomorrow, okay, okay, on tomorrow we will run about troubleshooting on multiple issues because it's
Yes,
very
sir.
okay, it's very important. Yes,
I want to ask you one question.
yeah.
Yeah, I am opening the control panel and there is no option the mail. What is the reason, sir?
Had you installed the Office package?
Yes, I'm installed the Office package 2016, sir.
Mail option
But
is not
not open.
available. Means mail is not available, right? Mail option is not available.
Yes, sir.
So if mail option is not available, so directly you can, okay, from here directly you can use Outlook. You can click on Outlook. Okay, you can click on new. Okay, and from here you can create a profile. Okay, for example, okay, name profile. Okay. Okay, like this.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If mail option is not available, so directly you can open the Outlook,
Outlook,
and
right?
then you can click on a new, and you can create a new profile, and then okay, and then the configuration wizard will open.
Okay, sir.
So that's
So,
a
sir,
solution.
IMAP and POP protocols are also configured without opening mail services.
What is saying?
Sir, how to configure?
So I told you na, just open if mail option is not available in a control panel, na,
Yes, sir.
and you are using Outlook 2016 and Outlook 2019, these two versions. So having a feature, you can click on new, right? Seeing the profile name, I have a 4 profile. Okay, for example, if you don't have any profile, you can click on new, give a profile name. For example, profile name is a taste. You can click on OK. So got this option.
Yes, sir, got it.
Now manual setup, and whatever you want to set up, you can.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's the process. Okay, so guys, we will meet on tomorrow. Okay, with our new topic. So take care. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.